Hi guys, today I'm going to make the zucchini bread. It is loaded with all 9 kind of nuts and seeds. For this recipe I need some zucchini which I am going to grate later. I need some mixed nuts and seeds. You can add any if you want. You can add walnuts, you can add raisins or anything whatever you like. I had mixed nuts and seeds in my kitchen so I added this. First I will take the sugar. Into that I'm going to add all my wet ingredients. I'm adding some oil, some milk, vanilla essence, 2 eggs, and I'm going to mix this well. I have mixed this really well till all my sugar has dissolved. Coming up to my dry ingredients, I have taken the flour. Into it I'm mixing some baking powder, baking soda, and the cinnamon powder. You can add nutmeg if you like, and a little bit of salt. At this moment, I am putting all my nuts in the dry ingredient so that my nuts don't go down when I am baking the cake. I am adding my wet ingredients to the dry and I will mix it well. My batter is flowing out of the bowl, so I am taking a bigger bowl now. First, I am adding zucchini. I have grated my zucchini. I prefer to grate my zucchini a little fat so that I can see the pieces of zucchini in the cake. Now I'm adding my zucchini to the batter, and now I'm transferring my batter to the other bowl so that I can nicely mix it well so that I get all the bits of nuts and zucchini in each bite. My batter has been nicely mixed, and now I'm going to put it in the greased baking tin and I will bake it for around 45 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius till my toothpick comes out clean. Please enjoy this recipe and please do try and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Also hit the like button, the bell button, and please do comment and please do share. Thank you.